and the images it captures at 5,000 frames per second reveal the anatomy of the blast. The high explosives atomize the fuel, sending it out in all directions, and then ignite it, creating a remarkably accurate simulation of a liquid-fueled V-2 rocket explosion.
You can see in the first 20 feet or so, there's elements just popping off the ground from that shockwave.
Yeah.
That never happens further out.
The explosive energy released by the blast is the equivalent of 850 sticks of dynamite.
It's so much energy, right?
Yeah.
It's just an overwhelming amount of energy. I was about 500 feet from this and could still feel that energy.
I was about 1,000 feet back, and it felt like someone slapped me in the chest. And this is an excellent demonstration of why the rockets we fly never use explosives.
Or metal.
Yes. Or metal.
Good job, that's cool.
I mean, how incredible is that, though? I mean, we just, recreated a historic event. A catastrophe that actually I watched on YouTube.
Did you?
We got to redo it with high-speed cameras.